We are always exploring and looking for ways that will help with the management and protection of your investment property, and want to share the good news. For years, one of our and your biggest headaches has been AC repairs. No one is happy when the AC breaks down. The tenants are upset, the owner has an unexpected expense, management is scrambling to get vendors out as soon as possible, to a hot house, all while still working to keep prices low for the owners. Our leases have always included a provision that tenants are responsible for the replacement of the AC filters. The reality is that it's very hard to enforce. We always check filters on our property visits. So when we find a dirty filter, we show it to the tenant and explain why it is so important to change the filters regularly. But it still doesn't seem to work. We believe AC filters are one of those out of sight, out of mind type items, and as much as most of the tenants really want to be good tenants, they forget. Well, today we're happy to announce we found a solution. This new service is an AC filter delivery program to help protect the most expensive piece of equipment in your property, your heating and air conditioning system. Not only will this help make things easier for your tenant, it will help prolong the life of your AC system. Management companies that are using an AC air filter delivery program have reported 30, 40, and even 50% reduction in AC repair bills. Starting with each lease renewal or new tenant, we will directly mail each tenant all the appropriate AC filters for their rental unit. The filter delivery will include instructions on how to change the filters, as well as an expiration date printed on the air filters to put us in a position to hold them accountable upon inspections. These air filters will be shipped out every month directly to the tenants. We've removed the forgetting and the hassle of buying filters. With each new lease and lease renewal, we will add a $20 filter easy fee to the total monthly rent amount. This fee will cover all of our costs in purchasing and delivering the AC filters directly to each tenant monthly, as well as any follow-up instructions to the tenants. Tenants will love the convenience, and most importantly, this will help prevent costly air conditioner repairs that happen so often because of not changing air filters. We are excited about further protecting your property by lengthening the life of your AC system. Be sure to check out the below list of frequently asked questions for more information.